Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your subscription on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways to cancel your subscription. You can cancel it outright, or you can cancel auto renewal and then wait for the subscription itself to, well, pretty much disappear. Now, you do both in the billing section, and to get to that billing section, what you need to do is click on settings, which is this gear icon right over here. Go into billing, which is the second from the bottom. And once that loads up, you're going to go into subscriptions. Now, as you can see, I currently have no subscriptions. This site that I'm using is a trial version. However, I'll go over to the support article and tell you the steps for both of those options. Now, for disabling auto renew, you just go and click on website or store, depending on the plan you're using, and then just switch renew automatically off. Then at the beginning of your next billing period, you will no longer have access to your subscription and it'll just pretty much go away. Now, for canceling, you go into website, commerce, or Squarespace, depending on the plan. Click cancel subscription. This will be website or store, depending on the plan. Then you select your reason from the drop-down menu. Click next, then complete the rest of the form to share your experience if you want to, and then click next. And if you have active subscriptions attached to your site, you'll see a your other subscriptions panel and you can review them, then click continue, or you can cancel them later. And then you can just click cancel subscription, and this will be again website or store depending on your plan. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.